In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo a reconciled bank transaction. If you've ever reconciled a bank transaction by mistake or need to make adjustments for any reason, this guide will walk you through the process of unreconciling it effortlessly. First, you'll need to navigate to the appropriate section of your accounting software. Start by heading over to the accounting menu. This is usually located on the main navigation bar of the software. Within this menu, you'll find a sub-option titled Bank Accounts. Go ahead and click this option as it's where you'll manage all your banking transactions. Once inside the bank account section, you'll see a list of your accounts. At this point, you need to click on the specific bank account that contains the reconciled transaction you want to modify. This will lead you to a more focused view of that particular account, making it easier to track and manage individual transactions. Next, navigate to the Account Transactions tab. This tab is crucial because it compiles all the transactions associated with the account you've just selected. Your goal here is to identify the reconciled transaction that you wish to undo. This can sometimes involve scrolling or using any available filters to narrow down the list of transactions. Pay close attention to the dates and descriptions to ensure you've selected the correct transaction. After you've located the desired transaction, click to open it up. This will present you with all the transaction details, offering a comprehensive overview of what has been recorded. Now, look towards the top right corner or any section where additional options might be listed. Here, you should find a button labeled Options. Click on this to reveal a drop-down or secondary menu. Within this menu, seek out the option that says Unreconcile. Selecting Unreconcile will initiate the process of altering the status of your transaction. Just bear in mind that this is a significant action. You're effectively telling the software to treat this transaction as if it had never been reconciled in the first place. Finally, before the unreconciliation takes place, the software will prompt you to confirm your decision. A confirmation message or dialog box will appear, asking you to verify this action. To proceed, simply click OK. This step ensures that changes aren't made unintentionally and gives you one last opportunity to review your choice. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully unreconciled a bank transaction. As a quick tip, it's always a good practice to double-check your work and ensure that any follow-up adjustments are noted or handled as required. By keeping this process in mind, you'll maintain smoother and more accurate accounting records. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher on this process.